A big problem at the cafe.
Emma, I have a job interview tomorrow, and I am very nervous.
I understand, Tom. Let's make a simple plan.
I do not know what to say first.
You should start with your name and your experience.
That sounds easy, but I forget words.
You can write 3 short sentences tonight.
Only 3 sentences.
Yes, short and clear is better.
What should I say about the company?
You should read their website and choose one thing you like.
Good idea. I can do that after lunch.
Great. Also, you should sleep early tonight. Practice in the park. Let's practice the first question.
Okay. Ask me, please.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Tom. I work in sales. I like helping people.
Good. You should add one strong skill.
I am good at listening to customers.
Perfect. Say that with a smile.
Should I speak fast?
No. You should speak slowly and clearly.
I worry about difficult questions.
If you need time, you can say, "That is a good question."
That helps. I can think for a moment.
Getting ready at home.
Emma, is this shirt okay for tomorrow?
Yes, it looks clean and smart.
Should I wear a tie?
You could wear one, but it is not necessary.
What should I put in my bag?
Take your CV, a pen, and your notebook.
Should I take water?
Yes, you should. It is useful.
The office is far from here.
You should leave 1 hour early.
What if the bus is late?
Then take the train. Check the times tonight.
Thanks. I feel more ready now.
Good. Now eat dinner and rest. Before the interview.
Emma, my hands are cold. I am nervous again.
Take a deep breath, Tom.
Like this?
Yes. Breathe in and breathe out slowly.
What should I do when I enter?
Smile, say hello, and give a firm handshake.
Should I ask questions too?
Yes. Ask about the team or the first month.
What if I make a mistake?
It is okay. Correct yourself and continue.
You are right. I can do this.
Yes, you can. Go in and be yourself. After the interview. Tom, how was the interview?
It was better than I thought.
That is great. What went well?
I spoke slowly, and I smiled.
Excellent. Did you ask a question?
Yes, I asked about the team.
Good choice. Now you should send a short thank you email.
Today?
Yes, today. Keep it polite and simple.
Can you help me write it?
Of course. Say thank you for their time.
And say I am excited about the job.
Yes, that is a good idea.
Thank you, Emma. Your advice really helped me.
You did the hard part, Tom. Be proud.
I am. Next time, I will feel less afraid.